And that breaking news tonight, we've been telling you it was just a matter of time before Indiana had its first confirmed case of the coronavirus.
And today we learned there's a person in Marion County with COVID-19.
The health department made it clear today this is an isolated case and there's no known danger to the public. Tonight at 5, we want to give you some context to put all of this in perspective. We're told this person has a mild case of COVID-19, and as you can see, 80% of these cases are mild, with less than 10% turning severe.
And we also know you have a lot of questions about this case, and of course we did too.
Our Rich Van Wyk joins us tonight with the answers. Rich?
Today's announcement was part warning, part reassurance. It came from State Health Commissioner Dr. Christina Box. She said this is an isolated case. There is no threat to public health, but more cases of COVID-19 are expected. The medical response was swift. About midnight, emergency room caregivers wearing protective gear met the man in the ER parking lot. They knew he was coming. He called the State Health Department. They sent him to Community North Hospital and warned the ER. Community, like other area hospitals, has been rehearsing for the arrival of COVID-19. The patient was kept away from other patients, placed in a special isolation treatment room, examined and tested for the virus.
I want to reassure you that no patients, no other caregivers were exposed to this individual. I want to reassure you that the hospital is doing everything they should, and the risk to patients right now is minimal.
According to the doctor, the man was released about 2:30 this morning. The positive test results came back about 8. He is now under self-isolation with a mild form of the virus. Health officials believe he was probably infected in Boston. He'd been on a business trip there. He came home Wednesday, got a call from his employer and told him that there had been confirmed cases of COVID-19 there and he may have been exposed. An investigation is now underway to see what other travelers, family members, co-workers, and others he might have infected. Andrea, Scott?
Thank you so much. Well, the good news is we are told the patient and the hospital, they did everything right to limit this person's risk of exposure to other people.
Yeah, this person called the Indiana State Department of Health before going to the hospital. Now, if you experience symptoms like a fever, a cough, shortness of breath, and have recently traveled over to China or have been around someone who did, please give them a call. Their after-hours phone number is on the screen right now. It's 317-233-1325. And we also have a coronavirus update tonight out of West Lafayette. That's where a parent was being tested for coronavirus. And today we learned that test came back negative. In all, the State Department of Health has tested 12 people. They're currently monitoring 35 others. All of them are quarantined right now.